Friends, hello everyone. I'm glad to welcome you on this channel. And in today's video, I will show you how you can install YouTube Studio application on your iPhone. Please, friends, subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes and don't forget to write comments under this video. So, let's get down to our topic. And in order to install this application, you will need to first open an application called App Store. It's on every iPhone by default, so you'll be able to find it with ease. Once you've opened the App Store, down here on the bottom right, click on the search option. And then in the search box, type in the word YouTube Studio. Once you find this app, open it up and click Install. If you have some sort of, let's say, security installed, like I do, it's Face ID, or you have some kind of password set, like an Apple ID password, or you have your phone protected in the App Store, then you just have to enter your password or Face ID, go through, and then as you can see, the process of installing the app starts immediately, and it's a pretty quick process. It doesn't take more than 2 minutes. But as you can see in my case, it's quicker than that, and usually it's really quick. So once the app is installed, you can open the app from the App Store itself, or you can go out here and search for the app, for example, on the Work Some page on your iPhone. If you can't find the app on your iPhone Work page, then swipe down from the top. And in the search box, type in the word YouTube Studio. And as you can see, this app appears here. To bring it to your work screen, tap and hold on it and add it to your home screen. And that's how you'll add the app, and you'll be able to go into it and work with it from there. That's how you can install YouTube Studio app on your iPhone, friends. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.